Hey everyone, how are you all guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you all no makeup look. Yes, absolutely very less makeup, but still you're going to see that the skin is looking stunning. So let's begin. I'm using the moisturizer first. This is an Sebamed Clear Face Care Gel, and this is for acne prone skin. But after using this, I feel even oily to combination girls can use this. It is super hydrating. This gel is absolutely free from oils and also has a natural moisturizer. It also relieves any kind of skin irritation. After applying this, my skin is actually feeling good, and I would definitely recommend this moisturizer as it is in the form of gel, and it is also written that it helps in calming down the pimples. It heals the pimples. As I've mentioned that I'm going to do it with just minimum products and a very minimal makeup. I'm just going to conceal my under eye. As you all can see, I don't have much of dark circles, but just to give that fresh look and even looking skin tone, I'm just going to use this peach color, and this is from the brand Nykaa. It is an conceal and correct palette, and it has 6 shades where you can use according to your problems. But right now I just use a concealing shade and I'm just applying it all over my face. Actually, not all over, just on my pimples or where I have marks. That's it, so that I can get a little bit of coverage over there. Now moving directly, I'm going to use this blush from the brand Flower. This is an beautiful palette. You all can see how much I've used this. The blush shade had already broken and I fixed it back and I'm still using it. I love these shades, and I'm just going to use a little bit of blush because without blush everything looks very flat, and obviously nobody likes that. You like to have a little bit of color on face, you like to have that freshness. So for that I'm using the blush. Yes, I did not use any foundation. I'm not going to use compact, just a bare skin. And if you don't have acne marks, you don't have any of the scars, then you're good to go. You can directly, just after the moisturizer, you can use the blush. And yes guys, if you're looking for a face palette, simply buy this. This is so beautiful, so amazing. The shade is just a perfect soft pink with a nice soft contour shade, and the highlighter is just a bomb, and you will see that right now. Daily basis, I don't use any contour shade, so directly after the blush you all can see this highlighter. Oh, can you all see the softness, the glow, and this is so stunning. I have never seen a highlighter so soft. It absolutely has no chunky glitter. Now moving to the main part is making my brows. Guys, if you don't like to, excuse me, you can skip and move little forward, but seriously try once. I've always been telling you guys, define your features, and you will see right now the difference. And trust me guys, this is such a big change on your face. If you start making your brows, you actually look more younger. ठीक है, जाने दो. You yourself see the difference right now and you will be seriously surprised. Can you all see this? How much lifted and defined my face is looking on this side, and then just check this side. And just after making both the side of my brows, see the instant change on my face. And yes, I forgot to talk about this product. This is from the brand Inside. This is an smudge free eyebrow pencil. It has an eyebrow product one side and the other side the spoolie to just comb back your eyebrow hair. And trust me, this is an amazing. You all can see I've almost finished. In fact, I have just finished. Can you all see this? I am rotating and the product is just over. Now guys, this product is so amazing. Trust me, I had just received my parcel. I'm going to make an Amazon haul very soon again. And guys, if you have missed my Nykaa haul, Amazon haul, and many hauls, whatever I keep making, please do have a check. I would definitely leave a link in the description so that you guys can check and have a look. And now this one is from the Mars. Be the change you want it to be. This one is a color changing tinted lip balm, and it is so soft on lips. As I glide on my lips, I am feeling as if I am gliding some jelly on my lips, and it is so nice. I'm like going on and on, and you actually feel like a gel, and it is so soft, so hydrating. See, this is my problem. Like when I like something too much, I keep going on and on, and my hands just don't stop. This is what happened with the highlighter, but this time, this is the lip balm, which is just taken off my heart and really beautiful. Can you all see this? The shade is so stunning. It's not red, it's not pink, it is that dark peachish color, but not that dark. I can wear it on my daily basis. And guys, the best thing is, see, after rubbing so much also, the tint is so strong that it stays almost whole day on your lips. I highly recommend this lip balm. This is so hydrating, gives a beautiful color, and must have product. Trust me, you must have one. Now, just moving to the eyes, I'm not going to use any kajal, I'm not going to use any eyeliner, but definitely I'm going to use this blue color mascara from Lakme as I'm wearing blue kurta today. And you all can see the color is so beautiful. When you keep your face subtle, you can definitely play with your eyes. So that's the reason I'm going with a nice vibrant blue color, and this looks beautiful. Again, a must have product because this is so stunning. I'm almost using it from 3 4 years. The same mascara, it is not dried, it is as it is, and beautiful shade. If you are seriously bored of your black one, then you must try this blue color. You are going to love it. It looks absolutely beautiful. Just apply nothing on your face. I mean, you should not have much makeup on your face, and then just change the look of your eyes, and it looks beautiful. Let's move near and close by to my window where you can see the direct sunlight falling and you all can see the color. It seriously looks very beautiful, guys. If you're fond of mascaras, you need a color, then just go for a change, try the blue one. And that's it. Here I complete my today's look where I have very less makeup, but still you all can see that everything looks so fresh, so vibrant and beautiful. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Please do give lots of love.